One of the key pillars when it comes to our new bespoke 11 kilo SpaceMax range of washing machines is space itself, which is all about more on the inside but the same on the outside. So what exactly do we mean? Well, just like our friend the TARDIS here from Doctor Who, it's much bigger and you get a lot more on the inside even though it looks small on the outside. And we can do exactly the same on our laundry appliances. So by utilising SpaceMax technology, even though we've made the drum bigger to 11 kilos, it's exactly the same depth as our 9 kilo washing machines. And compared to our 10.5 kilo washing machines, which were 640mm deep, these ones are only 600mm deep, allowing us to get even more on the inside without making it any bigger on the outside. But it's not just about capacity, there's also more technology on the inside as well. So we've got a new quick drive on here that allows you to wash 5 kilos in 39 minutes without the use of an additional motor or a backplate. How this works is by using a spray nozzle that's built into the top inside the door. And this will dual fill the drum at the same time from the top and the bottom, just like having a bath and shower at the same time, allowing the clothes to get wetter quicker and we can start washing quicker. But now what happens is during the wash process, it's still continuously spraying in water from the top as well as the bottom. And instead of a standard 3 rinses, it's using the spray nozzle at the top to help rinse the clothes using 2 separate rinses instead of 3. Overall, massively speeding up that wash process to allow us to wash 5 kilos in 39 minutes. But there will also be a quick drive button which will allow you to speed up cycles such as cotton and synthetics for when you're doing those 5 kilo loads. So, more on the inside, but the same space on the outside.